Welcome to my class. My name is Sushil Kumar Kumar from KHPS Security, Atani Blog and Chikodi Educational District. Now, do you like stories?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to listen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. Do you know what is this?
Cap,
Cap. What I have written on this? Oh, what do you know? What is the meaning of ITO? No. Okay, here decode it. What is I means ice cream, strawberry vanilla flavor. You like?
Yes.
Ice cream. I means ice cream. Next, what is
Tea.
tea? Can you? What is the name of? Can you find? Tomato. Tea means tomato. And another is onion. Yes, very good. Okay. These three are very close friends. One day what will happen? Before that, do you know? After cutting onion, what here will come? Yeah. Do you know what is the story behind that?
No.
No, we'll find out today. One day, onion and tomato playing together. That time what will happen? In Vijaypur, they playing. Okay? In front of Gol Gumbaz, Whispering Gallery. In front of that, in that garden, they are playing. In that situation, from home, ice cream come and join this. Tomato and onion said that don't come, it is sunshine, otherwise we will melt. So he didn't ask, ice cream didn't ask, hey, no, I will come and play with you. Or whatever it is, summer days or winter days, why are you avoiding me? Summer days, he asked. Next also 2 to 3 times, tomato said and onion said, don't come, you will die, you will melt. So, but ice cream came and played with him. After 2-3 minutes, ice cream melted and died. After dying, the ice cream, tomato and tomato and onion cried a lot. They cried a lot. 2-3 hours cried a lot. My friend lost. He is very good friend. He has so many lovers. And we lost. So after 4 to 5 months, they came to RI Bengaluru for training. In that training, what happened? Trainings will go by the teachers, trainers, and when Sunday will come, what they did? Like us, they went for care market by the metro. So that time what happened? Metro. In care market near one D-Mart is there. D-Mart, they both went outside the D-Mart. Onion said, don't come inside. There is lot of humans are there, lot of persons are there. There is very rush. You do not have any experience in that. So give me the list. I will take that items. So, but what tomato did? No, I will come. Same ice cream has done. Same thing he has done. After that, what happened? There is very rush. In Sundays, you can see in the market and in D-Mart also very rush. And offers are there being 90%, 60%. So that's why both went. Onion tell, but tomato not listen. So after that, after 4-5 minutes, the rush killed the tomato. Tomato died. After dying of tomato, onion cried a lot for 4 to 5 hours and came to RI Bengaluru, and under the jackfruit tree at night 12 o'clock he is still crying. After crying, God appeared. God came. Can see it? God appeared. Can see here the name of the God? What is the spelling of the God? G-O-D. God appeared. Oh my dear onion, why are you crying? He said the story. My ice cream died, my friend tomato also died. So nobody is with me after dying me, who will cry for me? He asked, and God blessed him. After dying, after cutting anybody, after cut, you will.
Everyone will
I
cry.
am giving bless gift after cutting, after dying, you all will cry. So this is the story behind the onion and tomato and ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay. Next we have come to the point. ITO friends, you know this. These 3 years of 3 friends, you can say. What is the ice cream? The name of a scientific name. There is no scientific name for ice cream. This is the mixture of milk, sugar, and water. So tomato has a what you call scientific name is Solanum lycopericum, and onion scientific name Allium cephas. The thing behind onion, inside onion, what is that? Sulfuric acid is there. That's why we try after cutting it. The sulfuric acid means mixture of the family of sulfur, and atomic number of sulfur is
16.
16, and the atomic symbol is
S.
Thank you very much.